ability to move
in space.
Movement in space. Yeah.
So it's when your eyes are closed, can you go up the steps?
Oh my goodness. Blood rush.
What is going on, guys? So real quick, I'm gonna take you on a journey with me. I'm going to the chiropractor, and so that's one of the things that I do to take care of myself and keep myself healthy. Because when you try to live an active lifestyle, it's very difficult to do things when you're hurting, like when your spine's out of whack, or when your muscles are hurting or stuff like that. It's really difficult to function at the highest level possible and to be functional. So I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. But yeah, I hope y'all like it. Peace out.
Yeah, can you check my my ribs? No, of course.
Simple.
You're like, okay. I guess you can't. It's okay.
All right. You know what I noticed is my right hip used to be lower, but ever since I started working, now my left one's lower.
Oh, look at you, baby boy. You got the middle traps.
Oh, you feel them?
Yeah.
Flex them out.
I love them.
I've been working, I've been grinding.
Good. Deep breath in.
Oh, wow.
Dang. Deep breath in. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't hear you.
Wow. So you can actually tell the difference between the lower
Yeah.
traps?
Yeah, these are getting thicker now. Here. Instead of like big fluff, big.
Oh, no, not
Now it's, well, fluff as in like it's a dip.
Right.
So it's like a big concave dip, then big.
Right.
Now you've got the filler in there.
I've been really working hard on it.
Mark it up. Nice breath in.
Oh, wow. Oh, that was...
That was a lot. That's why you just kind of let it be for a little bit. Okay. Lift this leg up. Pass the other one. Whoa, cross this leg over. I don't like that.
What else?
Cross it. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about your ribs. If you wanted a full sports adjustment, I got you. You definitely have some people walking in front of the screen, by the way.
Oh, yeah. It's all good. I can hit it.
But in a way, like, you can kind of speed it up, too.
Right. Oh, man. I really can tell the difference in what you did. Yeah. I've never had that.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
And see, the thing with you is you're also, you're an athlete. You're not a professional athlete, but you still use your body.
Right.
A whole lot more than some people. So that means you're more aware of your body.
Right.
So you feel little things, little shifts make big changes for you.
Right.
Because you're not used to, like, oh, you're already there physically. It's that little bit extra now that we're missing.
Right. Yeah, I try to. I mean, I try to take care of myself like a professional athlete would.
Yeah.
That's what you do.
I mean, shoot, everyone's an athlete at the end of the day. What level is different? Bring this arm up here. Because even a couch potato is an athlete. Still move and get up, right? You still run every now and then.
Right.
So that's the thing.
Depends on the, I guess, your gear or not.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness.
No? That's recording.
That's rough.
Bring it down. Bring this arm up.
Oh, that was more stiff. It is like that on the back side. It's really the front side, man. The anterior side. It hurts. That's rough though.
Bring it down, turn it over on your back. And then take off your boots.
Uh-oh.
You want a full sports adjustment, sir? I'm gonna do what I used to do every single one of my patients in my office.
Heck yeah. My feet probably smell really bad. So.
Yeah, they don't smell great.
I'm sorry, dude.
It's cool. I've dealt with way worse.
I'll run this off. Oh, that feels great. She knows. Oh, wow.
Good to go? Woo! Feel good, huh?
Yeah.
Holy smokes!
I think I got my happy angel on. I can already tell. My feet.
Yeah, you should feel a little bit more free.
Yeah, they do.
You gotta sit up here and show me that in just a second, okay? She can sit down and talk to you for a second.
Oh, buddy boy.
Dr. Morgan, what are you adjusting right there?
The hip.
Is he hippie?
He's a little hippie. Not a little hippie, but a little hippie.
Why are we doing that? Why are we doing that type of adjustment for a hip?
To loosen up the spacing in the joint because we sell a lot.
Oh, that feels awesome.
Why would that be beneficial for an athlete?
Simple. More room, more function, less adaptation. Because all you athletes cheat on muscle tests.
Oh, come on.
Because you got strong muscles. So when one muscle doesn't work, what you gonna do? You're fine. You're gonna use some other ones and work harder.
Stephanie got injured, so Sarah's had to take on her people team. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hold here, hold. You were good.
Maybe
Hold
you
your
don't have one permission.
Bend it. Hold here, hold.
I was gonna support myself.
Hold here. You trying to support yourself. It's too fun.
So what are we adjusting here, Dr. Morgan?
Oh, wow. The glenohumeral joint, because we had multiple muscle tests out.
Oh, wow.
Now hold right here.
So why is he not able to hold it strong?
Because the instability. You know? The nerve interference isn't allowing it to. Hold right here. There you go. Look at you, now you're holding it. Hold on.
So why is it important to get adjusted as an athlete?
Easy. You want to be Tom Brady? Or you want to be Gus Farad?
I'll be better than the other guy.
Exactly. I'm going up. Don't
Hold
let
it
me.
to go.
Hold. There you go. Wrist up. Now I'm going towards you. Don't let me. Wrist down. I'm going towards you. Don't let me. Pinky thumb. And hold it together. Don't let me. Hey. Turn it towards me. And hold it.
What we checking?
Ooh, wrist. Wrist is out.
I actually, today, had my hand in my pocket and I just kind of, I guess it kind of slipped a little bit. I felt my left one just felt like it came out of place.
Ta-da!
That's incredible.
I didn't do anything.
That's incredible.
Isn't that crazy? Hold here, hold. Okay, bend it. Hold here, hold. Okay. Hold here, hold. Relax. Relax it. Your AC joint is up here.
Oh gosh.
Hold here, hold. Dang! Where'd that come from?
Come on now.
Hold here.
Oh, there goes my elbow.
Bend it. Hold it. Wrist up. Up. Turn it. Wrist up. Towards you. Down. Hold. Pinky thumb. Turn it. I already knew that one was weak.
Oh.
As soon as your elbow popped, I knew it was out.
So what is that? Like neuromuscular or how does that work?
So it's the proprioception. Your body adapts all the time.
Mm-hmm.
What's proprioception do?
Sense of space. Where your body is in space. Body position sense, something like that.
I've heard it like, I've heard it's like the awareness, it gives awareness to the brain.
So what they in my personal training course, what they said with proprioception was the ability to move
In space.
Movement in space. Yeah.
So it's when your eyes are closed, can you go up the steps?
Oh my goodness.
Blood rush!
My toes are wiggling, they're dancing. I feel
Man, you're gonna tap like Gregory Hines.
oh my goodness.
Get some front ribs. Not the ones you eat, right?
Nah, you don't want to eat these. Ooh,
Baby.
buddy.
Are they out?
Oh no, you tell me.
Yeah. I told them, I said, man, I think my ribs are out.
Buddy.
So how do my ribs go out?
Posture.
Really?
Stress.
Really?
How often do you do things here
I did
compared to do things here?
They got me. I never used to do that. Until recently.
Imagine that.
So, I thought ribs were fixed.
It ain't supposed to be fixed. It's supposed to be mobile. How can you have it fixed if you're trying to breathe? You can't breathe. Your lungs don't move.
Really?
These are supposed to move. They're supposed to have some give to it. So like here, that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to have some pushing through the joint.
Mm.
When we don't have that, we have restrictions.
Wow. So it restricts your lungs?
Well, it restricts the body's ability for the rib cage to expand. Then further impinging the lungs from opening up. Because then when you try to open up and take a big breath, guess what? You feel like it's a huge pressure around your lungs.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do.
There we go. You better start doing it every day, right? Swing your legs that way. I really didn't know that.
What does that thing do that you're doing on his neck right now, Dr. Morgan?
Reinforce the curvature of the cervical spine to stay in there. And it's got its own little feedback chip in there.
Why is it important to have a good curve in your neck?
Because loss of the cervical curve causes autonomic dysfunction. Autonomic dysfunction is what you're telling your body to do without telling it to do it. You want to have problems going to the bathroom?
I do not.
You want to have problems breathing?
Yes, sir.
Or bringing blood to your heart?
Yes, sir.
Well, there you go. Keep your cervical spine good.
Awesome. That was really incredible. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Now walk around without your boots though. You need to let your body adapt to all that.
I really didn't know that if your ribs are out, you couldn't expand it. Hinders your lungs.
It's crazy, huh?
Oh yeah.
I feel more grounded.
Feel closer to the ground. So man, thank you. I appreciate it. That was awesome.
Cracking, what's poppin'? What's happening, YouTube crew? How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? It's good to see y'all. I'm here with my new piece. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll see probably in a few days to maybe 1 week, I'll post it. It's my first vlog ever. First purchase guitar ever. I had an amazing time, and God really blessed me with an amazing instrument and the means to purchase it. So I'm super glad about that. But real quick, what I just wanted to say is, by the title you can see what this is. This is my chiropractic adjustment. These guys are 100% chiropractic, Dr. Morgan and Dr. Zach. And shout out to y'all if y'all see this. I really appreciate the help. I appreciate how genuine y'all are as people, how professional y'all are, and y'all have really helped me stay in alignment with my spine and my neck. And guys, if you know anything about chiropractic adjustments, is what it's meant and designed to do is put the curvature back in your neck. You have a natural curve in your neck and in your spine, and that helps your body balance out everything. So it's very crucial and very vital for us to run at the highest, most efficient, optimal level possible. So chiropractic care is one of the things that I use to stay in shape and to stay healthy. I love it. You know, it's very beneficial to me because I have flat feet, and flat feet can cause your knees to bow in or bow outwards, and it throws your hips out of whack, and that messes your neck up. So long story short, man, find a good chiropractor, somebody who knows what they're doing, who has been to school and has a lot of practice with it. It'll change your life. So shout out Dr. Morgan, shout out Dr. Zach. Thank y'all so much for allowing me to get this footage. I appreciate y'all greatly. And y'all, those viewers watching, like I said, it's worth it. Find you a good chiropractor. Y'all, I ask that you would just like and comment on the video and share it. It really helps the channel. What I'm doing here on this channel is trying to explore a broad scope of things, from vlogging to instruments, playing guitar, fitness, working out, and just talking to y'all and getting set free. So I really enjoy this. It's a passion of mine. You know, I've been working so much, I haven't had time to really do anything else. The older I get, the more I realize I really do enjoy this YouTube thing, and I just want to help y'all out. So, man, I'm getting out of here. Peace out. I love y'all. I'm praying for y'all. McMahon Fit is out of the building, baby.